This 1997 American Coach American Eagle 40 EVS is a Class A RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used American coach is 44 feet 11 inches in length and features a beige interior, sleeps 6, skylight, refrigerator, stovetop burner, microwave, TV, smoke detector, oven, slide-out, DVD player, air conditioning. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front dinette, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. This 1997 American Coach American Eagle 40 EVS is built on a Spartan chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.